Hello guys, greeting from Turkey. Today we are gonna do the replacement of the cantilever brake lever to the V brake lever. To be honest, I'm not sure I'm gonna manage it or not. I will try it. I search from the internet these cantilever brakes, and then the V brakes is fully interchangeable. So what is my reason to replace it? This is an old bike from early 19s. We are using it at least 30 years maybe. Still working and doing its job very well. The brand is Bisan, one of the most famous Turkish brands. First of all, to tell the system of the cantilever brakes, when you squeeze the brake lever, it's pull the cable and then pull this hook, and then let me show you, this squeeze the brake levers out. So it is not an effective braking method, I think. We will replace and we will see the results. Okay, then first I will remove this cable and then remove these bolts and then get these arms down. After that I will show you how to install the V-brakes. These are cheapest V-brakes are in Turkey, at least $4 or $3 pair. This one and then front one. Okay, then let's go. Guys, we removed this Shimano cantilever brake and then install cheapest V-brake. I adjusted it. It works pretty well now. I have done it, I think. Just little adjustment maybe. What I have done, I remove this screw. I remove this one. I remove this one and then install this one. It's pretty easy. I also replaced the new cable. What I have done, I replace this cable guide. It's a little bit long, so I cut it down, and then I don't have these what I say, I don't know the English word. I taped here and it's okay. Wow. Okay, we have done it. In my opinion, cheapest V-brake is better than Shimano cantilever. That's my opinion. Thank you guys for watching. I will also replace the forward one. Best regards.